some jerkies. I don't know how they taste like. We're in the car now, guys. Back on the road to Vegas. Hi everyone, we just finished parking. We're gonna grab lunch. I don't know yet where. I'm gonna show you once we get there. Okay, so we're supposed to eat here, Cornerstone, but sadly it's closed. But it says so Google down that it's open, so I don't know what happened there. So now we're gonna find another place to eat. We just parked and we just arrived here in our Plan B buffet at Asia.
Hello.
The director of my vlog. Hey guys! So we're done eating lunch. I ate a lot of food. It was nice. And now we're gonna go to our hotel to check in and probably rest a bit before exploring. Para daw for privacy, hindi kita yun. Is this how you do it? Vienna's first time trying, second time doing this. Hey guys! Welcome to our room! So I'm gonna do a room tour. So first we have a queen size bed. We have two, one for me and my sister and my tita and tita. And then look at the view, guys! There's the pool and the Ferris wheel. Over here we have a seat, and then we have, I think this is the fridge. No, there's the mini fridge. And then we have some stuff there. I don't know if we're gonna use it. And then a table. And then a mirror. Hey guys, let's go to the bathroom. So slide it, and here it is, all white, so pretty, so clean. Shower. Oh, they have body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. These little cute little boxes. I like the lighting too. So that's it, just a simple room. Guys, we're outside and it's pouring a little bit. slippers. So I'm hoping I don't get blisters because I'm planning to go to Bellagio. Bellagio? I don't know how you pronounce it, but I'm planning to go there because I want to take a picture at the same spot that BTS took their picture. So yeah. It's currently 5:37 and I think we're on our way to go see Caesar's monument statue. We took some photos over here. Looks so pretty and look a bunch of stores. And then the best part is the ceiling. It feels like I'm walking outside without being outside. It's really nice. My tito said there's a show here in 5 minutes. So we're waiting for the show. I don't know what it's about. And we are back outside. I think we're going back to the hotel room. I don't know yet. But I really want to go to Bellagio for that picture. A little update. So we're here inside Bellagio. Now look at it, guys. Look. Wow. Hey guys, my camera got low battery, but look where we are, so pretty. We watched the light show there. Show them. And now we're just walking. We're just walking and enjoying everything about Vegas. So I'm just gonna update you once I can. And we are back on camera. I charged it already. It's currently 9:30 and we are just roaming around, just free time. My siblings bought shades. Where are we going now? We're going to the car to get my sister's slippers and then after that, I don't know yet. Just an update. Who did a TikTok? Because they're forced, guys. I forced them to film a TikTok with me. This is our hotel and the Ferris wheel. And then the sphere. That's new though. And it's really pretty. Sometimes it becomes a ball. Sometimes it's an eye. Sometimes it's the earth. What else? That's what I remember.
Slippers.
Good morning, guys. We are going to check out already. I'm here in the other room. There's packing and everything. The view is nicer. It's time to see the flamingos. Look, guys. They're so cute. We're back in Caesar's because My sister wants to check out the Sephora, and we have time to spare.